Hey guys, we're about to do the review on this new glasses Pit Viper. Let's check it out, guys. Ganda naman ang case niya, guys. Oh, tingnan niyo naman yan. Teka. Yun na nga, guys. Oh, talaga namang Viper na Viper yung dating niya, guys. Oh, yun oh, talagang ano siya. Snake skin ang dating niya, guys. So, Pit Viper, it comes with bag. It comes with a back holder. The case, and of course, interchangeable siya, guys. So, ang another colorway niya, bagano pa man, guys. Ang ganda naman ito, guys. Pit Viper, guys. So, subukan natin. Woo! Talagang very durable, pang ice, pang ano. Let's check it out. What? Ganda niya, guys. Oh, sa case pa lang, guys. Wala na tayo magagawa, guys. Oh, Pit Viper, guys. Ang ganda niya talaga. Bagano pa man, pag-aaralan pa natin siya kung paano i-exchange yung ano niya. Pero let's get it. I give it a good review. Why not? Hey, Pit Viper, a really good sports glasses. Let's go.